friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So friends, today we are going to make two exercises in Autodesk Inventor with the help of these sketches. If you have any doubts, then please comment, and you can also download this part from my GrabCAD link and exercise link also in description. So please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Okay, so let's start. So this is our first exercise for today. Let's start. Let's select a plane and start 2D sketch. Draw a line. And now this line to be construction. Okay. Now draw this portion. Okay. Let's select bottom portion first. Okay. First half. Now dimension. This dimension is 6 millimeter. That portion is 62.5. Okay. Now this portion. This is our 12.5. Okay. And the height from that point is 44, and that is 20. The last one, this height is 100 millimeter. Okay. And this angle 45 degree. Okay. This depth is 10 millimeter. Okay. And from that point it should be 50 millimeter. Okay. That point to this portion is 50. Okay. Now mirror. Take a mirror. Where is the mirror? This is. Select the mirror portion and mirror line and apply. Now done, and finish sketch. Okay. Now go to extrude and extrude this portion from mid, and distance is 1 to 5. Okay. So this is our first portion. Now we are going to make this portion. Okay. Click on this face and start a sketch. Let's take a rectangle. Okay. Now dimension. Width of this rectangle is 60 millimeter and height is 20. Okay. From center to this is 30 millimeter. Okay. Now finish the sketch. Go to extrude, and this time double-sided extrude. This one. Okay. First distance is 30, and this is also 30. So 60 millimeter. Oh, let's edit this feature, and this distance is 1 to 5, and 60. So this is 185. Okay, you can see. Now we are going to make fillet. Go to fillet tool, distance is 30 millimeter. Click on this edge, and this edge. Click OK. A little bit rotate and fillet again. Click on this edge and OK. Okay. So this portion is complete. Now we are going to make cut extrude of both holes. Click on this face and start a sketch. Draw a circle on this center and this center. Now dimension. This dimension is 21 millimeter. This is also 21 millimeter. And center distance. It's already taken the center of this radius. Okay. So don't need this dimension. Finish sketch, extrude and extrude cut. Click on the circle and this circle through all. Okay, so this is our first exercise is complete. Okay, now second exercise, make a new sheet, and second exercise is this one. Okay, so firstly we draw this portion, and after that this is our second and last is slots. Okay, start 2D sketch and draw on this plane and draw a line. Let's draw this sketch. Okay, now dimension. This dimension is 12 millimeter and this one is 3 millimeter. Total dimension is 80 and this dimension from that point is 20, means 30, and this dimension is 20. Okay, this is sketch and extrude, fillet direction, and distance is 46. Okay, first portion is complete. Now we are going to make this portion. This is offset from there is rib is 7 millimeter, so 2 millimeter from this face. Okay, click on this face and offset from plane, distance 2 millimeter, work plane 1 and go to new sketch and draw a circle, 2 circles. Okay, now dimension. This circle is 36 millimeter and this one is 18 millimeter, and this dimension from that point is 45. Center is 40. Okay, now finish sketch and extrude, profile, flip direction, and distance is 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Okay, now hide this plane. Now we are going to make this portion. Okay, so let's take a plane from that face is 5 millimeter. Okay, click on this face and take a plane minus 5 millimeter. Okay, and start 2D sketch. Click on this plane. Now go to project geometry, and project geometry, click on this circle and now draw lines. Okay, now dimension, this is 6 millimeter, this one also 6 millimeter. And now finish sketch, go to extrude, click on this, and the distance is flip direction, distance is 36 millimeter. And okay, now we are going to make these slots. So hide this plane first, plane 2, okay, and click on this face and sketch. Now take a slot, center slot. We have center of 20 millimeter, sorry. Click on this and distance is 20, and this distance is 10 millimeter. Okay, now dimension from that corner is 13 millimeter, and from this corner is also 13 millimeter. Okay, this is sketch and extrude cut, and okay. So this is our first slot. Now we are going to mirror. Take a plane in center, offset from plane, distance is minus 40 millimeter. Okay, go to mirror, and features में करेंगे extrude, mirror plane, sorry, features and mirror plane में work plane 3, and okay. Now hide this plane. Okay, so our second exercise is complete, and if you have any doubts then please comment, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.